Day 4 of the demolition, right?
I think so. It's starting to all bleed into each other now, isn't it? Day 4 sucked.
This is Mella.
This is done.
And we're sharing our experience as we reinvent our habitat. We managed to get the ceiling taken out. All of the fiberglass insulation rolled out, which was a huge pain.
When pulling fiberglass down from the ceiling, you want proper protection. Cap, goggles that seal around your eyes, and a mask. Don't skimp on it. Oh, and long sleeve t-shirt and gloves. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was because you're reaching up the entire time. So I have neck issues and that just started to hurt. I could not have painted the Sistine Chapel. I can't see anything because my glasses are fogged up. Oh, I think this one's full. And reaching up constantly was just not fun. And then this like fiberglass insulation and bits of metal like falling into your face, and that was burning. And we also kind of skipped lunch. That didn't help me much. So my enthusiasm for demolition has faded since day 1.
Now that we got the center pulled out all, now we still got to do all of the sides, all the way back this side and this side. Definitely my least favorite part so far, and we haven't even yanked out the old black tank in the toilet yet. Then we were able to get the side vents out. All the AC was piped in through those side vents, taking those out, the side panels. Overall, I think it was a good day as far as what we were able to see, seeing the bones of the bus. There was a little bit of surface rust some places, and then it looks like there's one area that might have a small leak because even you found some wet insulation.
Yeah. So we know that it was good that it was raining today, so we could kind of see any place that it was leaking where there is a little bit of rust. We could feel it was a little bit wet from the rain too, so we know where we need to work, which is good. We also learned that we clipped all the wires thinking they were all just for the speakers and televisions in the bus, but we also ended up clipping the wires for the marker lights, which had to kind of happen, right? So we get underneath the walls, but we were like, oh,
yeah,
that we have to rewire.
So we'll need to rewire that, but that's fine. We can actually rewire it clean on its own circuit with its own fuse, and then we'll always know where it's at. I guess because we're this far in now, it's starting to get real to the point that we need to sit down and go over some kind of budget and some kind of plan, some kind of picking out some of the things for the ceiling, for the floor, how we want to build them, just so that we're going to be ready, because we could potentially be starting on flooring, ceiling, and those kind of things, lighting, in the next week or two now, as quickly as things are moving.
Yeah, then it's all been ideas, and we could do this and we could do that, but now we need to sit down and make final decisions and commit. It's happening!
Other thing that I think is going to be fun is to see just how much aluminum and stainless steel we're going to be able to recycle and how much that is. So it would be fun if you want to guess how much money do you think we're going to get recycling this stainless steel pile and this aluminum pile that we have. I think we got close to 400 or 500 pounds, if not more. Carrying it one piece at a time, it's not a big deal, but it adds up.
It's heavy.
Big surprise today, I think, was pulling down the ceiling panels, and they're thick stainless steel. They're really heavy duty. The carpet on them is just on with glue, so we peeled some of it off, and I think we'll be able to just peel the rest of the carpet off and recycle that. It's another 400 pounds at least of stainless steel.
I'm excited about making it pretty. Demolition was fun initially, pulling things apart, you can feel all like, and get your frustration out, and I'm done with it. It's just not fun, and I want to make the bus pretty and livable. I want to get to the part that starts feeling like we're gonna live in it. This is like where I want to live.
So when we sit down and do our budget, we're also going to have to do a little bit of step planning too, because there's a lot of things we have to think about and plan for well in advance before when we actually do them now. But I'm excited about making a tiny home inside this bus.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Did you not get that?
I got it, but you were just so disheartened today with the demolition part.
What's wrong with that? Everybody can have a bad day. I'm like, this sucks. But I'm excited about the future.
Bus day is this?
Bus day, demolition 4 or 5, I'm not sure anymore. It's the day that I'm keeping a little bit of distance from Don because it was take out the toilet day and he hasn't cleaned up yet and I have.